I first announced that I was going to take a job in San Francisco, my dad was very upset. He was like, do not go because you're going to fall in love with an American and you're never going to come back. To which I replied, that will never happen.
This ring symbolizes my love for you and the commitments we made today.
I, Annie Wu, take you, Frank Niu,
I, Frank Niu, take you, Annie Wu,
to be my lawfully wedded husband,
to be my lawfully wedded wife,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward until death do us part.
Frank, do you take Annie to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
It's been a while since we felt the way we did back when we were dumb and younger. It's been a while since I looked into your eyes and saw starlight, bold, bright colors. Yeah, when I'm down, when I'm dry,
Frank,
no one
I knew you were special when Annie told me you were willing to do anything she wanted to make her happy. Now, I'm not saying I approve of the thousands of dollars you spend on Pokemon cards, and I definitely don't want to play another board game with you guys. But I'm really happy Annie moved into that San Francisco apartment 2 years ago.
I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over again, again.
2 years and 2 days ago, Frank and Annie met for the first time. A few days later, on Monday morning, Frank came to me and asked, "Hey, my new roommate is really cute. Should I date her?" I looked at him in the eye and I said, "Hell no." Good thing you didn't listen to me.
All right, so who's more drunk right now between you two?
Annie.
Who loves each other more?
No one, my love. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over again, again. And after all we've been through, there's no one else for me but you. I would choose you over and over again, again.
The girl that was renting to me at the time told me that there was another guy living there, but not to worry because he's super antisocial and we'll have minimal interactions. But I quickly discovered that that was not the case because this guy named Frank followed me everywhere. So once again, my dad was right. And here we are today. Sorry, Dad.
That day, we saw that old couple walking next to each other. I said, one day, that'll be us. And I truly believe that will happen. I love you, and I look forward to spending the rest of my life with you, Annie.